Welcome to Schmitty's Adventure. We are at the 2022 Wildwood Classic Car Show today, and we're going to go along, check out all these classic cars, and we'll take you around with us. Let's go see what we can find. Besides a ton of people here. Sorry guys, it is super loud here. We have some beautiful cars going on. There is a 69 How far down does this go? Do we know? Oh. Look at this truck. This is cool. Get you inside here. We'll come walk over here. Rambling seats, I think that's what you call them. I'll be the first one, guys. I love these cars, they look beautiful. I don't know much about them. So, if you have any comments, any help for me, leave it in the comments for me. Brightly orange, that's for sure. Nice though. Take two, please. How cool is this? The original Buffy sticker. That's pretty cool. Here's your 71 Plymouth Duster. Yeah. Cool. This is truck bed now. Wow, this is awesome. Look at this thing. Ford. Look at that engine. switched you guys to my gimbal. Let's see. And we do. Official pace car, the 62nd annual Indianapolis 500. This is Nana 63. Oh boy, that's cool. Oh, look at the little Volkswagen. Love it. Oh, a little heart in front of it. I love it. 1970. Oh, this one's cool. Another little Volkswagen. I used to own, I don't even remember what year it was, a Volkswagen Rabbit. That car was hysterical. I loved it. Ooh, this one over here. Bring yours over on this side. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. 1932 Ford. Sorry about the wind, gang. It is so windy down here this weekend. Here's a Trans Am. Coming up on a Trans Am. My husband had a 1978 black Trans Am with T-roofs. Oh my goodness, that car was a lot of fun. A lot of memories in that car. (1933) Ford Coupe. Trying to get you guys the best angle here. Every car is so different now. Nice Chevelle. Convertible. 1968 Chevelle, to be exact.
I remember the car.
It's be nice and comfortable to drive around in that. This one's cool. Look at the size of this thing. Oh man. That's a huge car. We can actually sleep in these seats. You don't need a hotel. You got one in the back seat there. And the fins on the back. That's great. There are so many cars from all over. Everybody comes down. Everybody has a great weekend. It's a good weekend, guys, to come on down. You know, in the other video that I was talking about the Irish Festival, this car show is also the same weekend as the Irish Festival. Here's another Chevelle for you. And then we walk right into, hey, correct. So many cars. Oh, we got a Jeep. I'm not sure. It's a 1994 Jeep. It's in really good condition. And then you walk into a Pontiac. This one's nice too. pretty original to me. Like I said, I don't know much about the cars, but this looks pretty original. Doesn't look like they did much at all on this one. '71 Chevy Monte Carlo. Those were cool. Those were good cars. Look inside. And then we walk over here. Look at this one. Beautiful, right? 1955 Chevy 210. Pickups. A 1950 Ford. Shot of the inside. 1955 Chevy 150. Another one. Interior here. Oh, look at this. These are the ones I like. The Model A 1929. These are cars I really, really enjoy seeing. There's some specs on the car. A few avid car people. It's a two-door. Nice. Look at the one with those. This is a 1964 Ram. Yeah. And over here, okay. Even the old cooler in the back. That's cool. And we all know what type of car this is. I don't even have to say it. I love the blue. This is a 1966. I honestly think, could be wrong, my brother had a 66 Mustang. Oh, could be a 66, could be a 64. I don't know. This looks very similar to what it was. If he watches my video, he needs to comment and tell me what year his car was. Now this is like the oddest color I've ever seen. I like it. I like it very much. Really. Nice. And here we come into a GTO. A 1965 Pontiac GTO. 1966 Ford F100. Even the inside is. I love it. Definitely do love it. Nova SS. Obviously, I think it's a 76. The trophy is Hot Rods and Harley Day, downtown Roraway, May 14th, 2022. Best in class. This is a nice car. Sunroof. The interior is immaculate. Okay, this is the Seaside Truck Show winner of 2022. They've got a couple beautiful trophies hanging out here. I got Best in Show in the back. Some more trophies over there. I like this one. And the reason why they won. Okay, guys. So, the SS over here. It's nice with the stripes down the middle. Camaros. Camaros. All very nice. There we go. Never wanted to damage any of these beautiful cars. We're only to save the beauty. Save the beauty of the cars. 1968 Cadillac. Yeah. Very pretty, nice car. There's a Mercury station wagon. It's a 1987 Mercury station wagon. Fun fact, I learned how to drive on a 1971 Chrysler station wagon. We have a Cougar. I owned an 80-something Cougar. I don't remember. What's this? That's what they're telling me, a Road Runner. It is. Working on the inside there. Okay guys, we're gonna just jump on over here. Look at this beauty. It's not a beauty here. 1933 Dodge Roadster.
People name your cars.
Yeah, that's true.
He even has a friend helping him drive. See the friend? Hey guys, it's been a long weekend. We've had a lot of things that we've been doing. And you know what? It's a great weekend. It's the end of it. We are finishing up here. These cars right behind me. There's another one. I'm not sure if you can see it too well because it's kind of dark. But we thank you all for coming and hanging out with us and just enjoying everything that we've done. We went to the Irish Festival. I didn't video the Seafarers Festival, but that was good too. I did have video of the car show. I didn't get every car there. It was too many to film. We had a lot of fun. I just thank you all for coming and hanging out with us. And we're going to leave you guys tonight with some fireworks, ending out our wonderful weekend. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Love you all. Thanks.